Good morning, your chapter Physical Features of India. I'll be asking the questions. First one. Aaron, you are going to answer. The northern plains have been formed by the interplay of which three rivers? Very simple question. The northern plains has been formed by the interplay of which three rivers? Be quick. It's the very first line of this particular section. Yes. Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Fine. The most continuous range of Himalayas consisting of the loftiest peaks with the average height of 6,000 meters. Sanji? No. Himadri. Next one. Which are the western and the eastern edges of Deccan Plateau? Western and eastern edges of Deccan Plateau. Next. Shabash. Anushay. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. What do we call the part of Himalaya lying between Tista and Dihang River? The part of Himalayas lying between Tista and Dihang rivers. Next. Auntie Riju. Next. Anji. Assam Himalayas. जो नेपाल हिमालयाज हैं, that is between Kali and Tista, right? So I name the mountain range that is located in the eastern part of India, extreme east of India. Anji. Anji. You can just remove it for a while, no problem. Next. Purvanchal. Purvanchal is the mountain range located in the eastern part of India. What do we call the valleys that are lying between Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks? Hanji. Next. The valleys lying between Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks. Okay, let me ask the students sitting online. Taranveer.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, give me the answer.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
The valleys lying between Lesser Himalayas and
Ma'am, dunes.
Dunes. What are the hills of Purvanchal composed of? Next. Hills of Purvanchal composed of? Hanji. Purvanchal hills are composed of what? Hanji, next. Parth. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, they are made up of sandstone and sedimentary rocks.
Sedimentary rocks. These are made up of sedimentary rocks. Listen up. Due to the deposition of silt, the rivers in their lower course split into many channels. What are those channels called? Anji Sagrikal. Yes, Manav. Manav, unmute yourself. Manav, unmute yourself. You have to unmute yourself, Manav, and then you have to answer. Fine, Sachit. Sachit, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Could you please repeat the question? I just joined now.
Fine. Due to the deposition of silt in the lower course, the rivers split into many channels. What are those channels called?
Distributaries.
Distributaries. What are barchans? What are barchans? Anji. Anji Sheikh. These are the crescent shaped sand dunes. और जो sand dunes हैं, they are never taken as a landmark there in desert region because they keep on shifting from one place to another. Even overnight ये अपनी जो location है इनकी shift हो जाती है क्योंकि I mean these are the small hills of the sand itself और जब भी हवा चलती है तो ये shift हो जाते हैं. Sit down. Highest peak in India. Aryan, please बताइए. Kanchenjunga. World's largest delta. Hanji, Sakshi. World's largest delta. Sundarban Delta या Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, both are the same one. What is meant by the term bhangar? What is bhangar? 3 terms आती हैं आपकी. One is kankad, bhabar, bhangar, khadar. 3-4 terms हैं आपके इस चैप्टर में, quite similar to each other. हाँ जी, जोशी जी. हाँ जी, साहिब सिंह.
The older alluvium of northern plains.
Fine. The older alluvium or the older alluvial soil lying above the flood plains. Please sit down. Okay, then tell me what is khadar. Next. Khadar. हाँ, it is a soil. उसका specific feature बताओ. Any specific feature? अभी भांगर का बताया, इसका थोड़ा सा ऑपोजिट है खादर. हाँ जी, देख रहा हूं. It is a new alluvial soil. The Himalayas that lies between Kali and Tisa rivers. हाँ जी अनु. The Himalayas lying between Kali and Tisa. Rijul. हाँ जी प्रथम. Nepal Himalayas. And the Himalayas between Tisa and Dehang. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले क्वेश्चन पूछा. Assam Himalayas. Please, if you know the answer, you just raise the hand. Right? Need not to answer like this. What is meant by the term peninsula? What is meant by the term peninsula? Hanji? Not exactly any country, any of the landmass that is surrounded by the sea or by the water body from three sides. Okay, Kanchenjunga is located in which Indian state? Kushdeep? Kanchenjunga is located in which Indian state? Sikkim. What is the peninsular plateau composed of? What is the peninsular plateau composed of? Hanji? Igneous and metamorphic. Black soil, बेटा इससे igneous ही बनेगी ना आगे further. What is meant by the term dobe? The word is English में हम उसको बोलते हैं dobe, हिंदी में हम कहते हैं दोब. दोआब या डोब या इंग्लिश में डोब, we pronounce it as dobe. हाँ जी सागरिका. Shabash. Shabash, very good. It's a small valley located in Himalayas. उस हिसाब से तो ये जलंधर फगवाड़ा सब हिमालयस में है, मतलब हिली एरिया में रहते हैं हम लोग. हाँ जी अनु, प्लीज टेल मी. शाबाश.
Should I answer?
It is the area lying between two rivers. नहीं, drained नहीं कर सकते हैं. Drain तो I mean it's not a particular word. दो rivers के बीच का जो area होता है, जो I mean जो land area है, that we call a dobe. हाँ जी. It doesn't, you cannot say it passes through that area. We are just saying कि दो rivers के बीच का जो area है उसे हम दोआब कहते हैं. Not exactly northern plains. कोई भी area जो दो rivers के बीच में कोई भी area है उसे दोआबी कहेंगे. Right? अब जैसे ब्यास और सतलुज के बीच में आता है जलंधर, इधर फगवाड़ा, आगे फिलौर चले जाओ. राइट, गुराया, फिलौर, ये सारा जो है ये दो रिवर्स के बीच में है. एक तरफ सतलुज आती है, एक तरफ ब्यास आती है. राइट, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि वो एरिया से फ्लो करती है. ये एरिया उन दो रिवर्स के बीच में आता है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज अ 2. What do we call the newer and younger deposits of floodplains? What do we call the newer and younger deposits of floodplains? Raghav Joshi. Raghav Makad. Unmute yourself. Hanji Shay. Khader. Which river drains the Chota Nagpur Plateau? में आपको which river drains the Chota Nagpur Plateau? River. Which river drains the Chota Nagpur Plateau? The answer is Damodar. ये जो दामोदर रिवर है ये मेजर एरिया जो कवर करती है बिहार का, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, ये सारे एरिया जो है ड्रेन करती है। और ये जो रिवर है ये एक ऐसी रिवर है जहां हर साल फ्लड आते हैं। इसकी आप कह सकते हैं शायद इसका रूट इस ढंग का है कि एवरी ईयर इट एक्सपीरियंसेस द फ्लड, और फ्लड भी ऐसे आते हैं कि इट लीड्स टू लॉट ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शन इन द एरियाज ऑफ दिस बिहार एंड झारखंड। और इसे वहां पे लोकल जो है उसे रिवर ऑफ सोरो भी कहा जाता है। रिवर ऑफ सोरो मीन्स हर साल बाढ़ आती है और हर साल वहां पर लोगों का बहुत ज्यादा नुकसान होता है। What is the total area of Lakshadweep Islands? What is the total area of Lakshadweep Islands? तीसरा। हाँ जी मानव। Total area of Lakshadweep. हाँ जी।
32 square kilometer.
32 square kilometer. Fine. Which range of Himalayas is full of the hill stations? Which range of Himalayas is full of hill stations? Hanji? Fine. जिसे हम lesser Himalayas भी कहेंगे। Middle Himalayas, sorry. Fine. Now tell me, how are the Himalayas divided from west to east? How are the Himalayas divided from west to east? All 4 divisions. Hanji? You just name it. You need not to tell me the boundaries also. सिर्फ 4 names जो है वो आपने नाम बताने। सीक्वेंस में चलो। ओपन सीक्वेंस। पंजाब हिमालयस, कुमाऊं हिमालयस, नेपाल हिमालयस एंड असम हिमालयस। फाइन।